listen to me. If you hate when you make your favorite fiber cocktail or your green juice or your tea and the ingredient settles in the bottom of the cup, I have a solution. This is a mixer cup. I'm gonna make my favorite green juice. Gonna add a scoop into the water. I'm gonna take the mixer cup. I'm gonna press this button right here. Look at this. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Do you see? Do you see the miracle? Do you see what's happening? Not only is it mixing my green juice for me, gone are the days where the water and the ingredient separates. Gone. All you have to do is press the button and you are ready. And if you happen to just leave your green juice on the counter for a few minutes because you have to do something else, come right back to your cup. Oh yeah. And that's it. Bloop. Bloop. Let's say you don't want to drink your green juice now. There you go. Right here. This is your solution. This is what you were missing in your life, all right? The mixer cup. It's the great gift for Mother's Day for anyone who loves coffee or tea. Bloop. Right here. And it comes in different colors. You're welcome.